Hey guys, what I'm doing, there's probably some racket down there. You know what? Let me shut this up real quick. Just a little bit to get rid of some of that noise. Here's what I'm going to do. There's a follower of my YouTube channel that wants me to make a video of the hotel that I'm staying at. So what I'm going to do is enjoy this stogie, and then I'm going to do that. But there's one problem. The problem is this, is that I was waiting for a beautiful sunny day to do it. So you could see, you know, the people that are out. Like, there's nobody out there. It's going to just be a drab, you know, type video. But I will make it for you here at the Marriott at the beach in Virginia Beach to see if you want to take a vacation here. If you want to have a vacation here, I would recommend it. It's a really good place to go. There's lots of things to do here, attractions and sites. But I'm going to show you the hotel for the follower that want me to do that. And I'm going to do that because I have the spare time. But first, I'm going to enjoy this stogie. It's a... For those that you want to know, this is Gloria Cubana, La Gloria Cubana Maduro wrap. Okay, nice stogie. It's worth it. It's about, I think, $12 or $14 per Churchill-sized stogie. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll make the video for you. It's just not going to be. I mean, when it was nice here, this place was beautiful. Plenty of people around. It was great, man. So, but there's nobody here right now. I mean, they're here, but they're all locked up inside and stuff. So, all right, guys, peace. All right, guys, here is my hotel room. I'm going to show it to you. I had to redo this video, if you can believe that. So the situation is, what I had to do with my video is that I didn't put it on cinematic. So it came out really small and looked like really terrible and stuff, but this is the room, and there is the computer station that I'm working on. There's another one with my coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. There is the microphone. Okay, I'll give you a shot of the microphone. It's a pretty good microphone. I think it's like about 80 bucks or something like that. Maybe not even that much, but I recommend that microphone. It's really good. And then here is the view from the room. You guys can see. It's not a good day today. I mentioned that before, so it's kind of upsetting to me. But, you know, the surf out there is pretty good. You can see a couple ships out there. And that's a shot of Virginia Beach, guys, right there on the beach. So there's a TV. Thing looks good. Here is the bathroom. Nothing fancy. Look, even the women can do their makeup. Look at that. They got that set up. They can get the close-up shot of their face, get all the wrinkles out and everything, right? And then we got this little miniature coffee thing. It's just a one deal. Boom, you slap it in, throw your cup of water in there, and then boom, you're right there. Got yourself a nice hot cup of coffee, and then they got the coffee thing right there. So yeah, it looks pretty good. You got an ironing board, standard stuff. Now, let's go take a look. Hotel room, hallway. All right, guys, I had to redo the video. These people down here are gonna think I'm like some sort of maniac going down there to film them again. Probably think I'm up to something. Cavalier preferred. This is. Here's the backside of it. There's a Cavalier hotel. It's a really nice hotel over there. All right, guys, I am in the elevator. I know I'm getting inside of an elevator, huh? Look at that, I'm a maniac. There's the numbers right there. I'm gonna knock this out. Here you guys go. All right, this is the entrance, main entrance of the hallway. Get some money if you need money, you know, for $5 probably they'll charge you to take money out of there. And there's something upstairs. Oh, that's to go up to restaurants and things like that. Here's the guys to help you with your car, main entrance. And then this right here, guys, what I was talking about, this is another area to get out there. But, you know, you see the weather, it doesn't look good, which kind of sucks. It doesn't kind of, it does suck. And then this is the main area. You can sit in that chairs, these chairs. You come down here, have a cup of coffee, relax, chill out, enjoy yourself. This is the neck right there is where I like to sit. Focus it. Hey, how's it going, man? I'm just taking some video, brother. All right, thanks, man. You know, advertising for you Marriott guys. Hey, is this Marriott or hotel, man? Or Cavalier?
So, Marriott Cavalier is owned by the same person. It's owned by...
Oh, is it?
Yep, Goldkey PHR
Okay.
who owns it, yep.
Maybe
Bruce Thompson's the man.
Yeah.
Does all
This is a
that.
nice hotel, man.
Yeah,
I like it.
absolutely.
I'll be back.
All right.
All right, man. And then this is the restaurant area and the bar area right there. Really nice bar and the restaurant area. And I'm going outside here, guys. And look at that surf. I don't know if any of you guys like to surf or play in the surf. I've done a lot of that in my lifetime. I really don't miss that better in water, in and out of water a lot. But this area is an area, like right over there, I had, try to focus, there we go, focus. Right there, I had that dinner with my kids the other day. They're grown up. I say kids, some people think I have like little babies or something. I don't have babies anymore. So we'll come out here to the nice windy day of Virginia Beach. Virginia Beach is really, those that haven't been here, it is blistering hot in the summer and it's cold in the winter. Like jacket cold in the winter. In December and January, like jacket cold, not like, you know, just a wind jacket, but jacket cold. And here's the beach, guys, right there. It looks pretty good, you know, nice rough surf. That's pretty cool. It wasn't like this on a sunny day at all. And then here's the hotel from the backside, just to give you guys an idea. There's the backside part of the hotel all the way up. They got like bocce ball over there, place to sit over there, and I think a like a bar set up outside over there. You want to sit outside and drink. It's pretty sweet. Come from the beach, they got the shower, foot shower, and the shower for you. And then they have this. As you can see, nobody's out here, but they got this nice pool with this right here. See that edge stuff, you know, like the lifestyle and the rich and famous type of crap. This right here. And so that's pretty neat. I wanted to spend some time out in the sun, you know, sit out and maybe get some rays, pick up some vitamin D, get the real vitamin D, not the fake stuff they try to give you, man, all the other products that they sell. Out here is cool. And so this is a shot. Here's the other section of it, guys. And here's the shot of it like this. You know, it's a real nice pool. I haven't been in this section. I have not been in that section yet. You know, the reason why is because the weather's crap. No reason. And I'm coming into the indoor pool, guys. Here's the indoor pool. Right here. It's nice and toasty warm in here. Taking some video. I gotta redo video. I did it wrong first time. And this water is nice water. It's not like, you know, it's warm water, warmer. It's like a beach too. See, like a beach. That's pretty cool. And there you go. And this is, I went into a circle. So this right over here, that's a restaurant area. And I just went over that way out. And that's out to the outside. So that's all of the hotel, guys. And all the area. And it's a nice hotel. And you know, people want to know if you want to come here for a vacation, if you want to stay right here, I'll be straight with you. It's $200 to $300 a night for this time of year. If you want to stay here in July or August, it's going to be about $600-700 a night or something like that. It's going to depend on which room you get to, obviously, but expect to pay something like that. So I would recommend, if you're going to do something, I would plan ahead and make sure you don't get ripped off. Like, get it like 4 months in advance at least. That's what I would do. All right, guys. Peace.